Purezidenti Museveni ahireyo kushaba kwa izuba lya nyuma bazyo obwabira ly'omugenyi mukuru aha kukinga horuterane orwa Mothers Union ahari Timana School mu Luwero.
Kubanja no kuwagira UPE and USE.
Okubanja buvunanyizibwa bwaffe gye tuli okubanja n'okuwagira amasomero agabonna basome aga primary abasomero obwerere mu primary ne mu secondary.
Because our strategy has not yet been grasped by many actors. Our strategy was,
ekigendero kya gavumenti kyali,
how can we provide affordable education for all Ugandans?
Purezidenti Museveni aha mukoro ogu abirashendekerezibwa omukazi w'enkanda Minisita w'ebyobwegyese Mama Janet Kataha Museveni kandi yahanangiriza abanya-Uganda okukozesa omugisha gwa porogaramu za gavumenti ezigenderire okubiiha omu bworo baketunguura.
Who wants so much to work with women and to support women because he believes they can help families. If you organize yourself, I have no doubt in my mind that he will give you the founding money.
And my daughter Kasato has ordered me.
Ngate muwala we Kasato amulagidde.
I need 500 million.
Nti yeetaaga miliyoni 5.
Ngenda kuzinoonya.
Taata agenda kuzinoonya. Mukama waffe yeebazibwe nnyo. Yesu yeebazibwe nnyo. Naye mukubye mu ngalo. Kama yebazibwe taata.
Atene Costa jayagala naye ngenda kujugula.
President wa Mothers Union Luwero Mama Sekabira naye asayininge nga witness.
Your Excellency and Mama, the conference has had a number of professional trainers who provided valuable information on various topics, on key areas of focus, was farming in a godly way.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarimu.